Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. I'm mixing plenty of baking soda along with this linen white, and it is chalk paint. I'm gonna mix it well, and then these two beautiful fish bowls from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna give it 2 coats with this mixture. I bought this at Dollar Tree as well, and I'm going to take the same mixture and I'm going to go ahead and give it 1 heavy coat. And look at how beautiful. I found this at Dollar Tree. They had several of them and they were all different. So I decided to buy this one, and I am going to be giving it 1 coat with this linen white. Everything is dry now, so let's go ahead and start embellishing this. With a little bit of hot glue, I'm going to go ahead and put this bowl right here. And with some more hot glue, we'll take the egg and we'll put it right on top of the ribbon. Look how beautiful this is turning out. This looks nice and simple, yet so beautiful. And I'll do the same process to the second fish bowl. I want to jump in really quick and let you know that this is a collaboration that I am participating of, and it is called Craft Your Stash. These are all the talented creators that are also participating. Please make sure to visit all of these talented creators, and don't forget to subscribe to their channels, like and share. The subscription is completely free, and when you subscribe to our channel, we grow together. And now let's get back to crafting. This is how it looks, and I'm putting this right in here. This looks so absolute beautiful. I also have some eggs from Dollar Tree. I put them in a skewer stick, and I'm going to be placing 2 on each of these fish bowls. And for the third one, I'm going to do similar process, but the eggs, I'm going to paint them completely in white. And then I'm going to go ahead and add these beautiful flowers. And now that these eggs are completely dry, I'm just going to place them right inside. I'm going to go ahead and add a bowl as well to the front of this, and here it is. Look at how gorgeous this turned out. You're going to have to let me know in the comment section what you think about these beautiful DIYs. Moving on to our next project, I took this wood plaque from Michael's, and I'm going to give it 1 coat with this linen white chalk paint. And here it is, all dried up. I'm going to go ahead and put it to the side. And I'm coming in with this black chalk paint, and I have these bamboo sticks. I'm going to take 3 of them and I'm going to paint them with this black chalk paint. And now that they are all dry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure it, and then I'm going to cut them to size, and then I'll be gluing them with hot glue on all 4 corners. And here is the frame all put together. There was a little gap on one corner, but then I came back with some black chalk paint and I went and I filled that in the meantime, I have this vinyl from a Dollar Tree. I cut a piece and then I'm gonna go ahead and stick it right on top of the bunny, just like you see right here. And then with my finger knife, I came in and I cut all the excess off. So I took my nail file and I'm gonna go ahead and try to make all of these indents right here look close to perfect. So I think I'm gonna put this bunny right here. In the meantime, I have this little shoelace bow that I made with this baker's twine, and with some hot glue, I'm gonna glue it right here. What do you think? I think this looks really cute. But you let me know if this looks nice here, or should I put a ribbon? I thought that this was nice and simple, so that's why I decided to use the baker's twine. And I also have these little carrots from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and use 3 of them, and with some hot glue, I am gonna glue them right to the picture frame. I love making my projects look 3D. So with this little block, it's wood block and some hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the frame. I think this is looking so beautiful. And what's a bunny without a tail? So I went on to my cotton balls and I took one, and with some hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and give this bunny a furry tail. Look at how absolutely beautiful. Now I thought these carrots look a little too bright, so I'm gonna put a little bit of white chalk paint and some khaki color. With some black chalk paint, I'm gonna take this bunny word and I'm gonna give it one coat. Once it's dry, with some hot glue, I'm gonna put it right above the carrots, and I think this looks absolutely divine. Please let me know in the comments section what you think about this little bunny word. I thought this was absolutely gorgeous. And with this little twine in black, just to match our DIY, and some of these wooden beads, I'm going to take 4 and I am going to make a hook for the wall. This is how we're going to hang it up. I think this looks beautiful. What do you think? Also, stick around for the bloopers at the end of the video. If you have not subscribed, please make sure you do so. Make sure to give me that big thumbs up. It will help my channel. And let me know in the comment section. Again, if you are stopping by for the first time, make sure to introduce yourself and let me know from what part of the world you are watching me. And again, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. Like that, we get to see each other in my next video. Well, hello again. Thank you once again for... Well, we're at the end of the video. Thank you once again for sticking around until the end of my video. I hope you have enjoyed these DIYs. If you did, make sure to leave me that big thumbs up. Nope.